Good evening, my dear students and my dear friends. Me myself Abhishek Das, and you are watching Vision Academy online class. So today I will teach class 6 supplementary first chapter. So please take out the first chapter. So first of all, the name of the chapter is A Tale of Two Birds. What is the name of the chapter? A Tale of Two Birds. Okay. So there once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. It is a story of birds. Already you have seen there. It is a story of bird. So in this story, what the story tells about that, in a forest there is a bird, and along with it, the bird has two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. They had a nest in a tall, basically where the birds stay in a nest, and where it has met in a tall shady tree. Okay, very tall and shady tree. Shady tree means what? Full of with all the leaves. Leaves are there in the tree, and there the mother bird took care of the little ones day and night. So that what the mother bird do, she take care of her little ones. Okay, one day there was a big storm. One day what happened? There is a big storm. Big storm means what? It literally likes a hard wind. In Hindi we can say tufan. There was a thunder, as you know that thundering means what? Whenever there will be rain up of the sky, it will thunder like a sound. Lightning and rain, and the wind blow down many trees, and in that time wind was blowing. The tall tree in which the birds live also came down. Because of the pressure of the wind, many of the birds, what they do, they came down from the tree in the ground. A big heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. A big heavy branch means what? A big branch of the tree. You have heard ना that in Hindi अगर मैं बोलूँ, एक पेड़ में जो बड़ा बड़ा लाठी लोग डंडी लोग होता है ना, पेड़ में वो सब क्या हुआ, उस नेस्ट में गिरा. That big branch had fall in the nest and kill the bird. What they do? And kill the mother bird. Okay. Fortunately for the baby bird, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. But fortunately, what the wind do? The two newborn babies were safe from the wind. Okay. So where they had thrown away from the wind, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. There were other side of the forest. I think you can imagine that there is a middle of the road. In one side one forest is there, and another side another forest is there. So that what the wind do? The pressure of the wind was so much strong that the wind took the baby birds other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers live. Cave means what, you know? Cave means where a lion stay. But instead of lion, there are some robbers. Robbers live. Robbers means what, you know? Thief, you know, chor. The other landed outside a rishi ashram little distance away. And other one of the bird, where they fall, she has fall a rishi ashram. Rishi ashram means what? A house of one old person. Okay, a little distance away. Day pass and the baby birds become big birds. So after 1 month, after 2 months, 3 months, that baby birds were become now big birds. One day the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. What they do? One day the king of the country, okay, the king has been arrived to the forest to hunt. To hunt means what? शिकारी करना, शिकार करने के लिए आया. He saw a deer and rode after it. What he saw? He saw a deer. Deer means what? Harin. Deer, and rode after it. Rode means what? It's a It's a steel, yeah, it's like a steel stick. Okay, he threw against the deer. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. So as soon as deer saw by the king, the deer has run into the forest. Soon the king lost his way and didn't know where he was. So what the king done, वो क्या किया, राजा ने क्या किया, उस हरिन के पीछे पीछे भागते भागते क्या हुआ, जंगल पे खो गया. He lost his way. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. What they do? The king was very tired, and along with king, only his horse were there with him. And what he do? He just sat under the tree near a cave where the robbers had lived, or robbers had stayed. Okay. Suddenly he heard a voice cry out. Suddenly the king has heard a voice like someone is crying, quick, hurry up. What he heard? Quick, hurry up. There's someone under the tree. So what he have heard? He have heard that quick, hurry up, jaldi, fatafat. There's someone under the tree. The robbers were said that चलो कोई आदमी बैठा हुआ है उस पेड़ के नीचे. Come and take his jewel and his horse. Jewels means what? Jewelry. The king was wearing a full of jewelry, and along with that, what the robbers wanted to take? His horse also. Hurry, or else he will sleep away. Hurry means what? Jaldi, fatafat. Or he will sleep away, or he will run away. The king will run away by seeing us. The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree. Then after that, what saw? The king was amazed. The king was amazed means what? Surprised. The king was amazed. He looked up. As soon as he was surprised, he looked up in the tree and saw that brown birds on the tree under which he was sitting. Under the tree where he was sitting, he saw that one bird was under his head. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. Along with that, he also heard that robbers were shouting from the cave. He quickly got onto his horse and rode away as fast he could. He quickly got to his horse. He just stand up in the back of the horse, sit on the horse, and he just ran away from there. Soon he came to clear which looked like an ashram. It was the Rishi ashram. When he was come into clear places, he saw that there was an ashram where Rishi had stayed. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. Then what the king do? The king tied his horse. The king tied his horse to a tree. Tied means what? Tied means बांध के रख दिया. किसको? घोड़े को एक पेड़ में बांध के रख दिया. And sit down in his shade. And what they do? उसका जो आश्रम का बरामदा है, he sat down there. Okay, वहाँ पे बैठा. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to the ashram, sir." Suddenly someone has said to the king that, "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest." Then someone has said that, "Please come inside, sir, and take rest. The Rishi will be back soon." I think the person who are working the Rishi ashram, they were said that the Rishi will be back soon. You just come in our ashram, just take rest. Okay, there's some cold water in the pot. So what they do? There was some cold water in the what? Pot. Pot means what? Matka. You can see in village area there is a matka, like, okay, matka. Please make yourself comfortable. The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. Again the king looked up in the tree, and this time the tree was located in the ashram house, Rishi ashram house. Okay, again he saw that there was a brown bird in the tree. He was amazed. This one looks like the other bird outside the cave, he said to himself loudly. This one looks like the other bird outside the cave. He said to himself loudly. You are right, sir, answered the bird. He is my brother. Then he talked with the birds. That same birds I have seen in the other side of the forest. Then that bird answers, yes, sir, he is my brother, but he has made friends with robots. Oh, so now what they do, what the bird has said, there were two birds, one bird was good and another bird was not good. Why? Because his brother, one bird brother, was made friends with what? Robots. He now talks as they do. Now he talk as they do मतलब वो चोरों के बात सुनते रहता है वो पक्षी. He doesn't talk to me anymore. That bird doesn't talk to me anymore. Okay, वो भाई से बात भी नहीं करते. Just then the rishi entered the ashram. As soon as the king started to talk with the birds, as soon as what they do, the rishi entered the ashram. Okay. Welcome, sir, he said to the king. The rishi has said to the king that, welcome, sir, he said to the, please come inside and make yourself at home. The rishi was very good, so he told the king that, you just take rest here, you can just stay here, it is your home only. Whatever you like, whatever you want to do, you can do. You look tired, rest for a while, then you can share my food. Afterwards, after what the rishi said, you take rest, and after taking rest, just will provide you the food. The king told the rishi the story of the two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they look so alike. Then the king told the rishi, okay, about the story of the two birds. What he had told, that the two birds were same only, look like same only, but behavior was very much different. The forest is full of surprise, he said. The holy man smiled. The rishi had smiled and said, after all, one is known by the company one keeps. That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. So what rishi has told, that some birds are good also, some are bad also. So that bird has always heard the talk of robbers. That another bird who is with robbers, he imitates them and talks about robbing people. He always give an idea how to rob the people, how to cheat the people. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. So after telling this story, rishi says that, okay, leave it, sir, now you just come to the ashram, take rest, I will tell you more about this place and these birds. So further rishi has said that you take rest, after taking food I will tell you about the story. More stories are there about this place and these birds. So this is the story about the tale of birds. Okay, just understand it properly. Okay, so if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Okay.